welcome to the Will Bailey Fishing Show. I'm going fishing. We are going down to the river. I'm going to fish a little stretch of the beautiful River Wye. I'm far from an expert when it comes to coarse fishing. Ordinarily I do sea angling, mostly shore fishing, beach casting. So this whole coarse fishing, river fishing, pond, lake, whatever, it's all very new to me. And I've always kind of tried to stay away from it. I tried it a couple of times when I was young and didn't really enjoy it. I think sea fishing, it's just got that atmosphere about it, and once you've done that, especially if you started off doing that, it's it seemed a little bit boring going to sit by a little pond somewhere or a river. That's where we're off to now, obviously a river, but but I'm a little bit more patient nowadays, a little bit older, so I've got into a little bit of coarse fishing. I haven't caught much. It's literally this year I've started, so I'm going to give it a go. I've dug up some worms, common garden earthworms. I've had success in recent times catching a few little ones on earthworms, so we're going to give it a try. I've seen some fish jumping. I went down there the other day for my daughter's birthday, a fish and chip party. Great fish and chips here in our local village, and so I thought, right, Sunday I'm going to give it a go, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm down by the river now, and I'll wait for this big part of a tree to go past. I'm all set up, got a little 7BB float, I have my worm ready and waiting. Hopefully that's going to catch me something. Let's give this a go. Like I said, I've never tried this before, I don't think, so it's new to me. But we're going to give it a go nevertheless and see what happens. Wish me luck. Okay, so it appears that the weight is a little heavy. I did check it, but with the worm and the hook on, it's obviously a little bit too much. We'll just change that out for a couple of smaller ball bearings, or BBs, whatever you call them. Give that a go. It seems to be. I'm going to have to be reeling it in and casting out quite a lot, because since last week the flow is a little bit stronger, which is possibly a good thing. There's a little bit more colour in the water as well, actually. We'll give that a try, see what happens. That's better, that's sitting in the water a little. One more maybe. It's sitting in the water. Going to get a take on the first go. Is it going to get a take? A lot of activity by the looks of it. Lots of ripples. Come on. Come on. I'll hold her there for a minute, see if that helps. canoeists. No, cast her out again. Put one more BB on. It's a little bit light in the water. Obviously a big one is a bit too much. 3 little ones. I don't know what size they're actually classed as. Oh my god, I've got an ant's nest here. Okay, well, we are in the wilderness, off the beaten track a little bit, so it's to be expected. Let's hope I don't get bitten. Are they red ants? Browny red. I think I'm standing on their nest. Let's give it a go. Take 2. See if we can go up. Scream a little. Go on. Come on, my beauty. Oh, be quiet. A reasonable sized worm on there. Oh, is that a tape? No. Maybe a bit heavy on the on the weights now. I'll give it another try. Probably a bit heavy now. No, it's standing. No, sinking. Tiny bit of a nib coming out of there. That looks good. I'm happy with that. Check the drag. Just want one little fishy. Doesn't matter how big it is, just a little one. Gotta get something today. That'd be lovely. That'd be the first fish on the River Wye if I catch something. It's gone under, but I think that's just a current. Yeah. Maybe I'll just hold her downstream a little bit. Is something going for it? No. It's dipping a bit, but it's just the current. There's got to be fish feeding down there. There goes Mr. Shotgun. Didn't realise it was shotgun season. I don't know when the close season is actually. I think it's like September time or something, I don't know. August? Can't remember. I remember taking the dog for a walk once and seeing a whole bunch of people shooting pheasant. And the 2 ladies that were walking their dogs were waiting for them to finish, and they said, oh, it's going to be close season in a few days, and then, so yeah, I'm not sure exactly when. Come on, you know you want it. Nice fat juicy worm. Come on. Don't want to get snagged, that's the thing. Not very far down though. Maybe I'll put her a bit deeper. Let's try that. Worm's still on. Just need some lovely fish to suck that in. Barbless hook. Give them a fighting chance. I don't know if that's a necessity. I don't think it is river fishing. I know it is in some venues where you go like to lakes and stuff, but a lot of places actually, barbless hooks, but we'll see. Quite cloudy today. Oh, is that a take? Yes, I'm on. Fish on, guys. Ho ho ho! Hello. Oh, she's a fighter. First ever fish. And I'm looking at it and it looks like, oh, well, I never. Oh, you beauty. They obviously like earthworms. Let's have a look. Oh. Now that looks like a perch. Yippee. Whoa, you swallowed that? Oh, okay, alright. Come on. Ah, right on the end there, beautiful. That I am well chuffed with. I made some stick baits. Alright, calm down, fella. I made some stick baits. And yeah, come on. Look at those lovely, beautiful orange fins there. First ever fish in the Wye. Will Bailey fishing. Absolutely chuffed to pieces. Wow. It's got to be like a quarter of a pound, but I tell you what, that's beautiful, and I'm well chuffed with that. Okay, let's put her back. Gorgeous. Chuffed to pieces with that, guys. Hey! I bet all you pros and all you regulars are thinking, just a little perch. What is he thinking? It's nothing. Well, for me, that is a massive achievement, and I am well chuffed with that. Really got me in the mood for a bit more fishing, especially a bit of river fishing. Like I said, I've never done it before. Right, we are ready. Hook number two, worm number 2 on, and that was a good depth, so I think we're going to stick with that. Maybe a touch deeper, actually. See if we can catch a bigger one. There we go. Right, let's give this a try. Plenty of canoeists out today. Oh, rat. Oh, I hate it when that happens. Tangle at the end, worms come off. Let's try again. Actually, okay, I'm going to leave that on. Second thoughts, there is a big chunky bloody bit of worm at the end, so we can leave that on, give it a try. Oh, I can see a big fish approaching. Don't know what it is, but it's quite large. Wow. I think something's taken it. Oh. Come on. Oh, that was large. They're waiting for stuff to go past. I tell you, that was like a good few pounder. Come on. I'm going to put that out again. Whatever that was. Oh, I'm tempted to put another bit of worm on the end. I'm gonna. Right, we're back on, guys. Try not to cast it so hard this time. Flung the worm off. That's a good size bit. And I tell you, I've got these polarising shades on, and I saw a big old fish in there coming up to this then. Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully. Oh yes, it stayed on. Right, come on. Big fish this time. Get my net ready. Come on, baby. Come on. Good size fish this time, but I'll be happy with a small one. Another tiddler. It's like, whoa, that was a big fish that just jumped then. Oh my word. I'll tell you, if I catch that, I will be absolutely off my head. Come on. You can see it. You know you can see it. Come on. Bit of fly fishing, maybe. Let you into a little secret, guys. Went down to Lidl the other day, and there was one left fly fishing kit. Tried it once when I was a kid. Nothing. Didn't have any luck. Didn't know what I was doing. I was completely ignorant, and internet probably wasn't even around then. Couldn't look it up. Didn't have the inclination to buy a book. But yeah, so I got myself a fly fishing rig, everything included, and we're going to try a bit of fly fishing, I reckon. Oh, I saw something then. Try a bit of fly fishing at some stage. Don't know whether I'm going to go to like a trout lake or possibly even off down here. I mean, there's big fish jumping. You know, I'm going to reel that back in again, cast it out, get out to the big boys. So yeah, that'll be nice if I can catch something on a fly. I've never caught anything on a fly before, so that'll be good. Apparently, any little bits of weed or anything, get rid of them. Fish don't like them. Let's try again. Oh, saw a big ripple in the water then. Might be a little bit too deep though. I might raise it up. Oh! I had a bite. That was definitely a take. Try again. That's a good cast. Nice bit of distance on that one. Come on, baby. Oh, I can see a big fish approaching. I can see a big fish. No, it's a little stump of weed or something. I thought it was a fish then. I saw one swimming earlier though. These polarizing glasses are great. Come on. That's it. I'll let it float down a little bit more. Wow, that was a big old fish just rippled up there. Jeez. My word. Oh, fish on. I was reeling it in fast and a fish took it. I reckon a lure might be good around now. I might try a lure actually. Wow. There's some predatory fish out there. I think that was another perch. I want to try a lure. I want to try my luck getting a pike or something. Honestly, there's some big old fish out there jumping. Don't know what it is. Is that a take? I think that's a take. Oh. Hiya. Caught up. Oh, don't hook myself, William. Let's try again. I can't tell you this little rod. First time actually also that I've tried fishing with braid line. Now I've got like a mono leader, but oh my word, what a nightmare braid can be. Oh my god. Take two, guys. Let's get this worm out. If you can see the float, point my rod at it. Tangle. Can you get anything like that? Give it a bit more length as well. Try. stuck. Oh, that's a good cast. Nice swing action. That was like a pendulum of the beach casting casts. Oh dear, they're going to have to get their feet wet, I reckon. I missed that. Was that a take? I'm going to hold it there. I tell you, I was reeling it in fast when I got a bite. Predatory fish. Not bad though. Was that second cast? I got a little one. Oh, did you see that then? There's some jumping fish in this river. I tell you. Come on, baby. Gotta will the fish. Come on. Oh, it's not stuck, is it? Drop. Eat the worm. Go on. Come on. I know you're there, I can see the ripples. Come on, fishies. Come on. Fish number 2, please. Okay. Okay, I've got to try and will the fish again. Come on. Will wills the fish. Come on, baby. Come on, you little beauties. Oh, take. Have a take. That's quite a beautiful sight. Well, I've only chucked this out a few dozen times. I think I can safely say it's not lure season. A little perch, just a little tiddler. Great though, good little sport. It's definitely perch season. Gorgeous little thing. Back you go. Ooh, fish on. Another little tiddler, I think. Ooh, you're feisty. Ooh. That's a reasonable size one. Good thing with barbless hooks, so much easier, so easy to get out. You're pretty. And yeah, back you go. Jumped out of the water. There we go. I think it's about the same size as the first one. Number disgorger. Well, that was an enjoyable few hours. I caught a few perch, just little tiddlers, but they were good sport. I think first one that I caught was probably the biggest, at maybe 8 inches. After that it was just little, almost fry, but enjoyable all the same. Just a quick video this week to dip my feet in the water, so to speak. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future episodes. I do plan on doing a bit of shore fishing in the near future. Got some bait in the freezer, so I should be able to get out and do something down on the coast, which would be nice. It's my my kind of bread and butter really when it comes to fishing. I did enjoy the river fishing. I tried a bit of lure fishing, as you probably saw in the video. I'll edit quite a lot of that out. It was it wasn't successful. I tried a few different types and it was nothing. It was quite quite cloudy, the water today. So, but yeah, really enjoyed the trip. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, like I said. I'll put a little link, button there for you. And thanks for watching the Will Bailey Fishing Show. See you next time.